Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Cabinetry, and this is part 3 of our whole home reveal. This is the entryway and the living room we're going to show you. So in this formal entryway, we put in a soft artisan hexagon tile. Now it has highlights of charcoal and black in there, and it gives a softer look than just a standard hexagon. But then the question came is, how do I wrap the front of it? Well, come over here and I'll show you. We did the mantle with the same quartz that's on the front of the riser for the entry. Now, this is more of what we're seeing as entertainment centers these days. The long electric fireplace. Because we live in a hot climate, we don't get to use our fireplaces too much. So this turns on and gives you that ambient lighting, and it's beautiful, and we get to use it all year round. Nice big TV, but notice there's no cabinetry or anything around it. Why? Because TVs are just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Check out this floor. Really nice. So we've got an LVP flooring here. The planks are 48 inches long. They're wide format and they're beveled, so each board looks like an individual board. Really nice. And this mantle acts as a nice extra seating overflow. My name's Rick Sorsey. This is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 661-834-3333. Thanks.